Guys, today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to show audio alerts visually. So friend, if we want to show audio alerts visually in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so firstly click on start and type mono. Click on. So you will see this windows. Here you all will find option show audio alert visually. Select how visually alert of notification and displayed. So click on this drop down. Here you all will find some option. First one, no visual alert. Second, flash the title bar of the activate window. Flash the activate window. Flash the enter screen. So I will select flash the title bar of the active windows. That is. So by this simple method we can enable and show audio. How to, if we want to show audio alerts visually, that is Windows 10 PC. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.